Hi, and welcome to the Do-It-Yourself Gourmet. Today, we're doing a butter browned ribeye steak. Medium. Solid medium. Not too rare, not too well done. We're going to brown that butter up about 2 tablespoons in the beginning for about 2.5 minutes. Then we're going to put the ribeye in once it's nice and sizzling hot. We're going to shake it around, that way it doesn't stick to the pan. And we're going to make sure and do that a couple of times in the process with the boom obligatory slow motion. And when you do that, you want to make sure that you're spreading the butter around the sides of the ribeye, yet saving enough so that it doesn't splash out or get too far around the sides of the pan that you're not going to be using. After that, you're going to let it cook for about 4.5 minutes, and after that 4.5 minutes, you're going to take a second and flip it over. And we got a nice super slow-mo coming up in just a second for the flip over. This is where you can also add salt or a little bit of white pepper if you choose, to taste of course. And now we take it and coming up on the flip and once and over, and we're going to do 4.5 minutes on this side again to lead us to a nice solid medium. You can see that one side there has got nice and brown with the fat rendering well and getting seared in. And as we take it back a little bit, we're going to use the side of the pan to create a little bit of pool for the butter to cook the steak in, because that will help with the even cooking, also with the getting of the sides to make sure that they are seared in as well. You can use a fork for the spring test, and after about 4.5 minutes you can transfer it to a plate and enjoy after resting for 3 minutes. Or if you prefer, you can add your favorite toppings, put it in the broiler at 425 and cover it. And this one's got artichokes that have been sauteed and fried cheese with spicy marinara. Do it yourself gourmet. We'll see you next time, everybody. Thanks for watching.